Eleri and I'm an apprentice with Skill Cymru under the scheme called Crew, and this is my journey with Crew so far. I have a background in art and design as I studied it in college, and I then went on to study at university for the creative arts doing film production, and absolutely fell in love with the process of creating and anything visual. After graduating, I fell into the typical graduate slump and was struggling to find a job in the media industry. As I aimlessly scrolled through social media, I saw that Skill Cymru were offering the apprenticeship scheme Crew, which was the perfect timing and something that I had never considered before. I then applied and got through to the interviewing process, which was very simple, and I got to meet who would be my future mentors and other apprentices. To my surprise, I was chosen for Crew and was absolutely elated, as this was the perfect opportunity to further learn and work on something I'm passionate about. I was very eager to get into my first placement, and they didn't disappoint, as I got placed on Round the Round, one of Wales's leading and longest standing dramas. As I had previously mentioned my interest in the art department, I then got to assist the whole department, where I got to dress sets, got to stand by on props, prepare boxes for each character, and then create my own props along the way also. I had so much fun and fully immersed myself into my surroundings, and was elated when I saw my first TV credit. It never gets old. So what am I doing now? I'm still in my Crew journey, and making sure to research more about my chosen role through reading, sketching, writing, and so on. If Crew is something that you might be interested in, please get in touch with Skill Cymru and also keep up to date with their social media for possible opportunities. You never know what's around the corner.